Hello, 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 my friends. Caitlin here, and are you as obsessed with witches and pop culture as I am? So when I was a kid, I went through a phase where witches were my absolute favorite thing. Like if crystals and tarot had been as easily accessible and trendy as they are now, I would have been all over that as a kid. Instead, I kind of made my own amalgam of lore based on books and TV shows and collected rocks that I painted with sparkly nail polish so that they would be magic stones. I was real cool, you know? I just really found myself drawn to the aesthetics of different witches that I saw in TV shows and movies. Like there was a 1999 direct-to-video Scooby-Doo movie called Scooby-Doo and the Witch's Ghost, which introduced the Hex Girls, a goth rock band, where the lead singer, Thorne, was also a Wiccan. They were like the epitome of cool to 9-year-old Caitlin. So despite being a Christian, I never really saw good witches as being a bad thing like you might think. There were probably some very confused church ladies though. Instead, I just really loved the different magical worlds that various witches like Sabrina the Teenage Witch, or Hermione Granger, or Marnie from Halloween Town came from. Witches were cool to me because they were powerful and beautiful. And typically, all the witch-related media that I consumed involved girls learning about their true selves, embracing their differences, being in tune with nature and their creative side, and the importance of female friendship, all things that I either loved or deeply yearned for. So I felt seen. To me, that's what I associate with October and spooky season. So in celebration, I wanted to create a lookbook inspired by some of my favorite witch styles that I've seen over the years. So here we go. This first look is what I consider the most traditional witch style. It's probably most influenced by Netflix's The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina. But even before the show, I always considered this kind of vintage look with rich dark colors and little details to be traditionally witchy. I based the outfit around this black dress with a white crocheted Peter Pan collar. That's quintessential witch to me. Then I added these over-the-knee white socks and my favorite sky-high platform heel Mary Janes, which I found were not the best decision on uneven ground, so witches beware. Finally, I really wanted a little pop of color, so I added this deep red velvet blazer, which I feel like put my Sabrina vibes off the chart. Also, this is the only outfit I paired with a witch hat, but as soon as I put it on to test it, it just made the whole outfit feel complete. Next up is what I'm calling the sugar and spice and everything nice witch. I feel like when we think of witches, we typically think dark and brooding, but there are so many good witches out there. The one that most readily comes to mind is Glinda the Good Witch from The Wizard of Oz, and I wanted to create an outfit inspired by the brighter aesthetics of witches. This white chiffon Swiss-dotted tank top with a bow tie at the neck just kind of screamed Glinda to me, so I based this outfit around it. I added white tights, a maroon corduroy miniskirt, and a pastel pink fedora to play up the sugar parts, and then a black chiffon flowy kimono and black peep-toe booties for the spice. Overall, this is honestly just a cute outfit in general, and I'd probably wear something like it even if I wasn't specifically trying to be witch-inspired. Maybe that just means I'm really a good witch at heart. Now, this final look is what I'd call punk rock space witch, and it doesn't really have any specific pop culture influence. It's more of what I think I'd look like if I were a witch. I'm wearing this really soft and flowy metallic star maxi skirt, which is one of my favorite pieces of my closet. It's definitely very mystical and witch-esque, but also surprisingly comfy. And with the rest of the outfit, I really wanted to ask the question, well, what if there were witches in space? So I'm wearing this super soft black mock neck tank top and a sparkly collar necklace, plus sparkly earrings, all the sparkle. My wrists are loaded down with lots of silver and black bracelets, and I have this iridescent silver belt to cinch the waist. The standout pieces of this look, though, are my silver moto jacket, badass for sure, and my all-time favorite silver platform boots that are not practical at all, but are hecka cute in a video. All in all, I really like all these witchy looks, and hopefully they inspire you to try on something fun and spooky this Halloween. Well guys, thanks for humoring me and letting me create some looks based on my favorite witches. It was definitely super fun. Let me know in the comments your favorite look and or your favorite witch or wizard. Plus don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know the moment there's a new video. And as always, you can check me out on all these other social media sites. Happy spooky season, guys. I'll see you next Thursday for one last spooky video. Bye!